Hey friends, welcome back to John Drinks. If you can't tell, I just woke up, but it's Sunday. I was about to go make a cup of coffee because I have the whole day off, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to record and share how to make an Irish coffee. Irish coffee is a timeless classic. When it comes to coffee cocktails, it's usually the first one people usually think of. It can be made many different ways, and it really comes down to what kind of whiskey you're using and what kind of coffee you're using. Now, me personally, I don't get fancy with my Irish coffees. It's the morning, I just, want to make a coffee and get my day started. So I'm just going to share how I make mine. Now, first things first, we need some coffee. I really like just using instant espresso. I find it's a little bit better than instant coffee because it's a little bit more smooth of a product. 2 teaspoons. We're going to do 3 ounces of hot water next. And we're just gonna give that a little stir. Now again, use any coffee you enjoy. Next we're gonna do ½ ounce of Demerara syrup. You can use simple syrup too. I just find the Demerara has like a nice, darker, richer flavor. 1 ounce of our Irish whiskey. I'm using Regger's Tears Redhead today. And after that, we're gonna top this with whip. You can make your own whip. I'm just gonna use some instant stuff again. It's like 8 a.m. right now. And lastly, I'm gonna grate some fresh cinnamon on this. And that's an Irish coffee. Let's give it a taste. Wow. It has that caffeine in there to wake you up. It's sweet, creamy, almost a little desserty even. And it's important you get your ratio of whiskey to coffee right. Again, you don't want to be putting 1 ounce of whiskey into like a big mug. Just a little bit goes a long way. It goes really well with the cinnamon too. If you use a clear coffee mug too, you can just see the whipped cream starting to dissolve and fall to the bottom. It's really pleasing to watch. That is just delicious. Anyways, that is my Irish coffee. Again, super easy to make. A couple ounces of your favorite coffee, a little bit Irish whiskey, syrup, and whip, and you have yourself an amazing way to start your morning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you want to see more, remember to subscribe. Until next time, cheers.